solution to equations. The solution to an equation is the order pair that can be substituted into the equation without changing the validity of the equation. So in this case, if I want to know is 3 and 0 is a solution to the equation 4x minus 3y is equal to 12, I can check that, say if this is a solution to this equation. In other words, I want to know if this is a point on the graph of this line. If I substitute for each x3 and then substitute for each y0, I want to see if that makes sense. In this case, it does. 12 is equal to 12. So that means 3 and 0 is a solution, one solution or one point on this line or equation. Find order pairs that satisfy the given equation. So we want to complete each order pair for this equation. Here, let's say we have 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. We want to know if x is equal to 0, what would be y? If x is equal to 0, what is y? So all we have to do is substitute for each x0 in this case and just simply solve for y. So this term would be gone, would be equal to 0. To get negative 4y equal to 12, so I can solve for y. Y would be equal to 12 over negative 4 is equal to negative 3. So this would be one point or one solution for this equation or a line. So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 3. I can go ahead and fill the rest of these out myself, but I would suggest that you go ahead and pause the session and try to see if you can find the other ones. If y is equal to 0, what is x? You can do that. You can complete that by substituting this time for each y in this equation. If I substitute for each y 0, let's do that. This would be 0. That would be 4. So I would get 3x minus 0, or just 3x equal to 12. So what is x? 12 over 3 is equal to 4. So this number here must be equal to 4. So this is another solution or point on this line here. So here it is. If I substitute for each y0, I can find my next point. How about if I want to find another point? If y is equal to negative 2, what would be x? So all those people are here right now logged in. I wanted you to tell me what x is. If you know, just put the check mark in front of your name. The first check mark gets to give me the answer. If y is equal to negative 2, I'm looking for a check mark. If you know what x would be. All right, I got the first check mark. Lopez. What is that? It said 6. It's 6. Is that true? 6 is not the correct. Did you say 6? Okay. 6 is not the correct answer. Anyone else wants to try? If y is equal to negative 2, let's do that together. Here we have 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. You're saying if y is equal to negative 2, then pick a number negative 2. All right? Is that how you did? Okay, so you get 3x. That would be plus 8. And what would be the next step? Subtract 8, so you get 3x equal to 4. So what is x? What did you go wrong on this one? I'm just curious. So did you do this part correct? Did you add it? Did you write 8 here? Oh, so you put negative 6. Oh, you added? Oh, you added this two. What did you do that? You multiply it. You have to be very careful with your calculation. So this would be the correct way to do this. You substitute for each y negative 2, and you get 8 here. If you multiply correctly, negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 2 would be 8. And then you would subtract 8 from both of the equation, and so you can get the next one. So can somebody tell me the next one? If x equals to negative 6, what is y? Okay, so we can put the first check mark on this list here. If x equals to negative 6, what is y? No check mark so far. Did that take that long? Should I pause my recording until I see a check mark? It's not too long. I want to record all these Oh, got the first check mark. Murphy. What is that? Negative 16 over 2. Is that true? Let's see. Negative 16 over 2, yay. Okay, so what we do is we substitute for each x, negative 6. 3 times negative 6 will be negative 18. And then here we need to add 18 to both sides of the equation. So you get 12 plus 18 will be 30. Divide both sides of the equation by 4. Negative 30 over 4. And you did actually reduce this. Good job. Negative 15 over 2. And that will be my point, or another solution, or another point on this line. This is how you find the order pairs for any equation. How many of these order pairs can I find? Infinite, right? Infinitely many points on the line. That's what